This one? It's for Toby. For Toby. Good boy, Toby. Down. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Good girl. For Meggie. Oh, good catch.
Why did you come get me? Jake was in there for 45 minutes. He did 45 minutes in the bushes one time. It was the Jenkins year.
Good girl. Lay down.
No, there were Roses won prizes that year.
Good girl. For Jakey. Oh, you stole that one. For Jakey. Good boy.
Hi, guys.
Good boy.
We haven't seen her since she
Lay down.
went for a walk.
For Toby.
Don't worry.
Everyone back.
I mean, how much trouble
Everyone
can you
back.
get into double knotted to a telephone pole in front of a Pussycat Theater?
Okay, Al. Now, I know you've seen the bathroom. What do you think?
Well, Peg, it's just like your hair got larger and became a room.
Oh.
You took my
Down.
once mighty Ferguson
Lay
and
down.
you put a little pink fuzzy thing on it.
Still playing?
Cry it out to me in its pain, Peg.
It's a
For Maggie.
toilet, Al. It can't talk.
Wait,
Well, I've
Toby.
known it long enough to know what it's
Wait,
thinking.
you lay down.
Now you've
Good boy.
desecrated the toilet I call home.
Oh, Al. There is plenty of you left in that
Where's
bathroom.
my shaving cream?
In the right cup of the
Good
bra.
girl. Lay
Where's my
down.
razor?
In the
Lay
tampon
down.
carousel.
Lay down.
Where's my deodorant?
Come here.
That is a trick question. You don't use any.
You promised, Peg.
Well, I promise not to do a room in this house.
Shaky.
A bathroom.
Oh.
Yes, it is a room. It's this on the title, bath room. From the Greek, bath
Good
Border
boy.
Collies.
For Jakey.
A quiet oasis away from camels and women. Now, after machining my way through your pantyhose to use the one upstairs.
Gee,
boy.
Al, I don't
Down.
want to do that. You see, I did that
Down.
one sort of more like a woman's bathroom.
Lay
You know,
down.
it has ballerina faucets
Down.
and a bidet. Oh, and a Mel Gibson shower nozzle.
Lay down.
It's shaped just like his
Lay
head.
down. Good
God,
girl.
I feel so clean.
For Maggie.
Gee, I hope
Toby.
the bar likes it. Him and the entire class are coming over tonight to
Toby.
grade me on what I did.
But Peg, I have no place to go to the bathroom.
Oh, stop whining, you big baby. But why don't you at least try the new bathroom? I put a very special feature on it. When you flush the toilet, it plays We've Only Just Begun.
Hey, you know that's our wedding song. Every time I hear it, it freezes up my
Okay.
inner solid.
For me.
Come on, honey.
Good boy.
Look,
Down.
just try it. If you don't like it,
Lay
you
down.
never have to do it again.
Yeah, right, I've heard that before. If that was
Will you
true,
take down?
explain Bud to me.
Good boy. For Jakey. Good boy. Right. You simple doggy. Down. Good boy. And you. Lay down. Good girl. Toby. Oh, stolen by Jakey. Cheeky.